Guys, what's up? It's another day with Fellow F. All right, on this video, I just want us to look at GBP USD, and here we are on the weekly time frame. You see, we've been in a serious uptrend, and at this point, you realize that price has taken out the last swing low, which is the last lower higher low. Okay, so we mark out our zone as usual. Don't forget, this is how we trade. We always mark out two zones. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. We mark out two zones. What do we expect? We expect price to come back into our zone, so we call it the golden zone. All right, into our golden zone. So let me mark it out for you to see. So we are expecting price to come back and retest anywhere between the small green line and the little ash box. Okay, anywhere within that zone, and then we continue the sell. All right, so first we have to go down to the daily time frame. Okay, awesome. So looking at the daily time frame, price is getting into our zone, so we reduce the speed of our tool of our bar, and then we play it to see how it works. Okay, so we stop here. What do? We take our Fibonacci. Okay, anywhere between 50% and 61.8, we start looking for entries. So we draw it from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low, and you see at 61.8 we had a touch. Okay, price actually tapped 61.8. So what do? We get our entry. All right, we look for a short entry. And what are we looking for? A 1:2 risk to the word. This is a bearish engulfing. Okay, at the key level. So what do? We pull it all the way down. This is 1:2. Shift it a little up so as to minimize the risk. So 1:2. Simple. Okay. Take a 1:2. That's what we want. 1:2. All right, this is 1:2.8. So what do? We play it and see how price behaves. Very simple. All right, price plays around that zone, plays around the zone, and finally breaks out, and let's see how it goes. Okay, and now we're close to our TP, but price decided to go back. But let's just hold on. Normally, if it was a 1:2, would have been out, but now it's 1:2 point something. So let's be patient to see how price reacts. Okay, it's simple. That's one thing about trading. You need to be patient. Don't be in a haste and watch your trade play out. Okay, always wait for your trade to play out. Perfect. So we got it. Now what's the next thing? We have the first trade smashed TP. Okay, now what do? We delete all these things on our chart. We delete, excuse me, we delete all these things on our chart. We clear our chart and look for another entry. Okay, now that we already know we are in a downtrend, what do? We mark out the most recent swings. Here's the last swing low, but now we mark out from here because this is the measure one. Okay, we mark out from here. It's the measure low, and let us also mark out the measure high. We're using our phone. This series will be with the phone because we want every one of you to know and believe that it is possible for you to trade just with the phone. Normally, you're supposed to use the one higher, but I respect the small structures because there is nothing above this that will be calling price to come break this zone. If price breaks that zone, then I'll definitely have to look for another entry. So what do? Wait for price to come back into our golden zone as usual. Okay, as usual, from here to here, anywhere within that zone, we look at 61.8 and whatsoever, and we run. So let's play and see. Okay. Actually, if we had to respect the small structure down, this is where we would have entered. But I'm skeptical about the small structure because, good, you see what actually happened? We stopped there. You see this small structure down here, this this little structure down here was cool but dangerous. You see, price actually made a double top somewhere here. Now it has created a head and shoulder pattern. All right, or we can just say it created a double top. Now it came to test the neckline, and we let it play. So at this point, normally we look for our Fibonacci. As I told you, these are confluences. You see, there was even a bearish engulfing around here. But first, we take our Fibonacci. We take from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low. So at this point, excuse me, I don't know what's popping, but we need back our okay. So back on our chart, we take our Fibonacci from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low. Price went all the way to 78.6, giving us a more sniper entry. So what do? We place our entry. Okay, we place our entry. Normally we have to enter way up here. So we place our entry 1:2. So, and we watch price play. So we delete, we delete all this so that we can see our price clearly. Okay, so what do? We play it and see how price reacts. Okay, it's simple. Always wait for price to come back into our golden zone and then let it play out. Okay, perfect. So this is the second trade. It's simple. We continue. It's still on the same pair. Okay, GBP USD. What do? It has taken out the most recent swing low. We mark the zone out and then we respect the new high. Okay, we respect the new high. I will not take out the previous ones so that you yourself can see how it works. It's simple. If price doesn't come all the way up and take out structure, we continue respecting. So we wait for price to continue dropping because price has taken out the low, and now we are hoping that price should drop a little and then come back to tap into our zone. Let's see if price gives us a perfect entry. Okay, that's how easy and simple it is to trade using my simple price action strategy. Okay, whenever price takes out a zone, you just hold on, don't fight with price. Awesome, price is coming back into our zone. So what do? We just be patient. We purse, we take our Fibonacci from 61.8%, from 50% to 61.8, we start looking for our entries. Perfect. So this is between 50 and 61.8. Can we get in? It's possible. You can get in aggressive. This is being aggressive, but be ready to face drawdown in case price goes against you. So you enter here because this is an engulfing candlestick. Place stop, take profit. Should stop loss must be above the previous high. Okay, and take profit. Negative 61.8 extension. Then you take out your Fibonacci so that you can see price clearly. So let's watch. Like I said, if you want to get in aggressive, you can, but be ready to face drawdown. So we let it play out, guys. It's simple. You see price going up to a perfect sniper entry. So we hold on and see if it actually plays in our favor. It's simple. It always does, unless price is about to break structure. Okay, so you could be patient and wait for a perfect retracement, but you decided to be aggressive. So drawdown is part of the game. You just hold on. This is for those who swing trade and don't really care about what's happening in the market. You just watch. Guys, be patient and let's see what plays out on this. And that's how price continuously play out. And let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Finally, TP smashed. And that's how we can continue doing it over and over and over and over again, guys. It's simple. We just decided to be taking 1:2, but we could do more. We could swing trade all the way from the top till the bottom. We continuously do the same thing over and over and over and over again, guys. All right, thank you very much for watching my videos. This is video 1.0, 1.0. All right, so we call this my strategy 1.0. All right, see you on the next video. Stay connected and stay subscribed if you're watching this on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to show some love. All right, and I actually have a forex channel, a complete forex guide. I'm just making this ones here. This is my strategy that I'm showing you on this channel, so that you can, if you want to actually do better, you can join our forex channel. The links are below for you to join our Telegram channel, our YouTube channel for forex, completely forex, nothing more. Here we give crypto and other opportunities, but here on the other channel is completely forex. So this is my strategy 1.0. Love you guys. See you on the next video.